You guys know I love talking about building wealth, and in today's world, you'd be crazy not to at least be curious about the world of cryptocurrency. But forget Bitcoin for a second, because while everyone and their grandma is trying to figure out if Bitcoin is going to hit another all-time high or crash back down to zero, the real opportunity is in altcoins. These are the cryptocurrencies that are actually doing something interesting, and have the potential to absolutely explode over the next few years. With 2025 right around the corner, we've identified 5 high-potential altcoins that could deliver some serious returns. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos, and let's dive in. First up, we have the OG altcoin, Ethereum. Launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum has grown to become a cornerstone of the cryptocurrency world. You know it, you might even own some, and if you do, you're part of a massive global community. But you might be sleeping on its future potential. Many people underestimate just how transformative Ethereum can be. See, Ethereum is like the foundation of the entire altcoin world. It's not just another cryptocurrency, it's a platform for innovation. It's the backbone of DeFi, NFTs, smart contracts, you name it. These are not just buzzwords. They represent real functional technology that's changing industries. Basically, if you're doing anything cool and innovative in the crypto world, chances are it's built on Ethereum. Developers flock to it because of its robust capabilities. Now, some people say Ethereum's best days are behind it. They argue that newer blockchains are more efficient. They complain about high gas fees, slow transaction speeds, all that jazz. These are valid concerns, but they don't tell the whole story. But here's the thing. Ethereum is undergoing a massive upgrade with Ethereum 2.0. This upgrade aims to solve many of the issues that critics point out. This isn't just some small tweak, it's a complete overhaul of the entire system. It's like renovating a house from the ground up. We're talking faster transactions, lower fees, and a whole lot more. These improvements could make Ethereum more competitive than ever. Think of it like this. Ethereum is like that old reliable car you've had for years. It's dependable but could use an upgrade. It gets you from A to B, but it's not exactly a Tesla. It's functional but not cutting edge. Ethereum 2.0 is like taking that old car and swapping it out for a brand new, top-of-the-line sports car. Imagine the possibilities with this new upgrade. It's going to be a game changer. The new features and improvements could redefine what's possible in the crypto space. If you're looking for a blue-chip altcoin with massive upside potential, Ethereum is definitely one to keep your eye on. Its future looks brighter than ever. Next up we have Solana, the young up-and-comer that's been making waves in the crypto world. Now, Solana is often called an Ethereum killer, and for good reason. It's got everything Ethereum has, but faster and cheaper. I'm talking blazing fast transaction speeds and near zero fees. Seriously, you can send transactions on Solana for fractions of a penny. But speed and low fees aren't the only things Solana has going for it. It's also incredibly developer-friendly, which means it's attracting some of the brightest minds in the space. And when you have talented developers building on your platform, you get amazing projects. That's why Solana is already dominating in areas like DeFi, gaming, and NFTs. And it's not just small-time developers who are flocking to Solana. Major companies are starting to take notice too. We're talking partnerships with the likes of Google, Microsoft, and even Reddit. If Ethereum stumbles, Solana is waiting in the wings, ready to take its place. This is a project that's definitely worth keeping on your radar. Now let's talk about Avalanche, another one of those Ethereum killers that's been gaining a lot of traction lately. And when I say gaining traction, I mean it. Avalanche has been absolutely crushing it in terms of adoption, especially from big institutions. We're talking major players like Deloitte, KPMG, and even MasterCard. These aren't your fly-by-night crypto startups. These are established companies with billions of dollars on the line, and they're betting big on Avalanche. So what is it about Avalanche that's got everyone so excited? Well, for starters, it's fast, like really fast. We're talking transaction finality in under 2 seconds. That's faster than most credit card companies. But it's not just about speed. Avalanche is also incredibly scalable. In fact, it can handle over 4,500 transactions per second, which is way more than Ethereum can handle right now. And as the demand for blockchain technology continues to grow, scalability is going to be key. If you're looking for a network that blends speed, decentralization, and real-world use cases, Avalanche is definitely worth checking out. Now, let's move on to a slightly different kind of altcoin, Chainlink. Unlike many other altcoins that aim to be the next big platform, Chainlink has carved out a unique niche for itself. You see, Chainlink isn't trying to be the next Ethereum or Solana. It's not competing to be the most popular or the fastest blockchain. It's not trying to be the biggest or the fastest. Instead, it's focused on something equally important but often overlooked. Instead, Chainlink is focused on being the glue that holds the entire crypto world together. It's the unsung hero that makes many decentralized applications possible. How does it do that? Well, Chainlink acts as a bridge between the blockchain and the real world. This bridging function is crucial for the functionality of many decentralized applications. It allows smart contracts to access data from the outside world, which is essential for a lot of DeFi applications. Without this capability, many smart contracts would be severely limited. Think of it like this. Imagine you have a smart contract that's supposed to pay you every time the price of gold goes up. This is a simple example, but it illustrates the point well. Without Chainlink, that smart contract wouldn't be able to know what the price of gold is. It would be like trying to navigate without a map. It would be completely blind to the real world. This lack of real-world data would render many smart contracts useless. But with Chainlink, that smart contract can access real-time data feeds about the price of gold, allowing it to function properly. This real-time data integration is what makes Chainlink so powerful. And it's not just about the price of gold. Chainlink's capabilities extend far beyond that. Chainlink can be used to connect smart contracts to all sorts of real-world data, from weather forecasts to sports scores to stock prices. This versatility makes it an invaluable tool in the DeFi ecosystem. If you're looking for a solid long-term investment in the crypto space, Chainlink is definitely worth considering. Its unique role and broad applicability make it a standout choice. Alright guys, buckle up because this last one is a wild card. We're diving into something that could be a game changer in the crypto world. We're talking about Injective Protocol, a high-risk, high-reward altcoin that could potentially deliver those massive 100x gains. This is not just another altcoin, it's a project with a vision to revolutionize the trading ecosystem. I'm talking life-changing money here. Imagine the possibilities if this project takes off. So, what is Injective Protocol, and why am I so excited about it? Let's break it down. Well, to put it simply, Injective is building a next-generation trading ecosystem. This isn't just about trading, it's about creating a whole new financial landscape. It's completely decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any single entity. This decentralization is key to its potential success. It's gas-free, so you don't have to worry about those pesky transaction fees. This makes it more accessible and user-friendly. And it's cross-chain compatible, meaning it can interact with other blockchains like Ethereum and Solana. This interoperability is a huge advantage, but here's where it gets really interesting. Injective is focused on something called decentralized derivatives. This is a niche but incredibly powerful area. Now, I know that sounds complicated, but just bear with me for a second. It's simpler than it sounds and has huge implications. Derivatives are basically contracts that derive their value from an underlying asset. They are a cornerstone of modern finance. For example, a gold futures contract is a derivative because its value is tied to the price of gold. This is a common example that many people are familiar with. Decentralized derivatives take this concept and put it on the blockchain, which opens up a whole world of possibilities. This could change how we think about and interact with financial markets. Some people are even calling it the next Binance Smart Chain, and I can see why. The potential here is enormous. If it succeeds, the upside potential is absolutely massive. We're talking about a project that could redefine the crypto landscape. So there you have it, guys, my top 5 altcoins that I believe are poised to absolutely explode in 2025. Remember, this is not financial advice, and you should always do your own research before investing in anything, especially crypto. The crypto market is incredibly volatile, and prices can go up and down like a roller coaster. But with that being said, the potential rewards can be life-changing. Just remember to start small, diversify your portfolio, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Now, I want to hear from you guys. Which of these altcoins are you most bullish on? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're at it, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future videos.